Today we'll be using free tress 1 curl, free tress braid 1 curl braid 2x. That's what it says on the package. Welcome back to my channel. We'll be doing crochet braid hairstyle. I already went ahead and cornrowed the hair, so this is what we're working with, and I'll be showing you how to take the hair out of the package and cut the hair before attaching. So that's how it looks when you take it out. Take it off of the string, and I'm gonna be cutting it in two, or cutting it in half. So that's where I do the cut, and then half of that half I'll be doing like 4 splits, or 4 pieces from one half to attach to the hair. So I really wanted to do the curly colon, but I already have this hair in hand, and I'm like, I don't want to waste the hair, so let's try this. But next time I do this hair, I'll be using the curly colon. But this is somewhat similar to the curly colon. Hopefully I'm saying the name right. But yeah, this is what I'll be using today. And as you see, it's like 3 different kind of braid pattern. So I'll be attaching the hair, and you see I looped it, and then I do that twirl. I probably do it like 3 to 5 times. Just watch, I'll show it to you. That one was a little bit loose, so I tightened it some more. And I'll be speeding up the rest of the clip. I just leave this so you guys can see. Sorry, my hand is in the way here, but I'll be showing some more so you kind of get the hang of it. But you just do that loop probably about 5 to 6 times just to make sure it's tight enough, it's not loose. So I'll be taking out another one and cutting it. I'll be cutting it in half, and half of that half I'll do like 4 splits. So I'll just go ahead and attach the hair. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing in this part. So I take that piece, I loop my crochet hook under the hair, downward. I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think I did 4 with that one, but most of it I do like 5 to 6. So you kind of push, there you have a better view. You push the hook under the braid, and then you do the 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'm not counting right, but I know I do like 4, 5, 6 sometimes. And you can go ahead and trim the hair. If you feel the hair is not smooth enough towards the end, you can just trim that little piece just to get a smooth look. But yeah, you'll see me attaching the hair some more, and for the rest of the clip I'll be speeding up, so just do that. You do those. So it depending on how Depending on your liking, you can do less than my 4 to 6, but I recommend 4 to 6 twists to tighten the braid. But yeah, I will see you in the rest of my video. I'll be speeding it up after this one, but just for you to get a good knowledge of what I'm doing or how to do the crochet attachment, you just put the hook on there. But yeah, keep watching. I didn't have the finish, not the finish, but the trimming of the hair on camera or on video. I do apologize, but I will definitely do the style again, but with a different hair. All right, keep watching.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive.
Just a little interjection. Go ahead, pause this video and subscribe to Pauline's Kitchen 65 on YouTube. Pauline's Kitchen 65 on YouTube. You will not regret it. All these yummy ingredients and all. Pauline's Kitchen 65. Thank you. Subscribe.
Trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. So we can fly again. I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. 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 Oh, we can fly again. I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. 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 I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and